Americans, when they migrate, this is the biggest bird across Israel in migration. They can weigh over 10 kilos. If you put the weight, if you put this bird in the bus and they spread their wings, they touch both windows. They're 3-meter wingspan, very big bird. And they can migrate only when they have termites. Only when they have this. When they, now you saw them fly. But in migration they only glide. Like a glider, floating down the ocean. So when now it's cold, so I know that they are not migrating. You know, they fly low. If it was migrational, they will go straightly up with the termites and start gliding. So when the bird's flying, it's not always migration. It's like you are not migrating, just traveling around. It's like the bird. When the bird is just traveling around.